Elon Musk, in a recent email to Tesla employees, talks about a very tough quarter due to supply chain challenges in China. However, it has very good news. Giga Berlin has reached almost 1,000 cars per week production. That's a great ramp up. So Elon Musk recently sent an email to Tesla employees congratulating them for their hard work this year. His email contains some updates on each Tesla Gigafactory, including Giga Berlin. According to Elon Musk, the Berlin factory produced almost 1,000 cars last week, a notable achievement as Tesla tries to ramp up electric vehicle production in Europe of its Model Y production. Drone operator Wolfpack Berlin shared a picture of Tesla's bringing an extended robot arm into the factory, which I reported yesterday, which may be for a second assembly line, as I also suggested. So Giga Berlin has an estimated annual output of 500,000 vehicles per year, friends. In its first phase, Tesla is poised to install 8 Giga Press machines from IDRA in phase 1 of Giga Berlin to produce 500,000 electric vehicles per year. According to Giga Press specifications, each machine has a cycle time of 80 to 90 seconds, resulting in an output rate of 40 to 45 complete castings per hour. At that rate, Berlin could produce about 1,000 castings per day. That's 1,000 cars basically per day. So Tesla plans to hire around 12,000 employees for the first phase of Giga Berlin. The Tesla Gigafactory in Grünheide is still a work in progress, even if it has already started Model Y production. For instance, new artwork graffiti continues to pop up on the walls of the facility. I personally don't like that artwork. Some of them look very questionable, like dark materials, dark faces. I don't know. I don't like them very much. Now, Tesla is also still constructing a cell plant for its batteries to produce the 4680 batteries, where it will reportedly produce the battery cells. So Tesla has already submitted plans to the Grünheide municipal committee to expand Giga Berlin's operations. The electric vehicle manufacturer wants to build a freight depot, a logistics area, a customer service center, a company daycare center, that's good, and on-site training rooms. The application covers about 170 hectares of land. For perspective, Giga Berlin's current operations cover about 300 hectares. So what do you think? I think this is very exciting, friends, to see Giga Berlin ramp up of Model Y production, reaching about 1,000 vehicles per day. That will be what, 365,000 vehicles per year, right? But I think that's only one assembly line. If Tesla adds more assembly lines, maybe the production will go up even further and reach the estimated 500,000 vehicles per year. So what do you think? I think this is very exciting, friends. This is Armen Harian from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to this channel, give us thumbs up and ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage, share in social media, and let's continue the discussion in the comment section below. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you and have a great day.